Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Mo is going to be coloring my hair. He did cut it a few weeks ago, which I also shared in a vlog. I'll have that linked below if you guys haven't seen it, but he didn't color my hair. So today he is going to touch up the highlights. He's also going to put a gloss in my hair and just give it an overall refresh. It's been about 6 months since he did anything like color-wise to my hair, so I'm really excited for this, and I feel like it is much needed. I'm gonna do my
Are we sharing the channel now?
For this segment, yes.
All right.
So I have an album on my phone with different pictures of hair that I really love, and this is some of the hair that Mo has done on me. So these are a few pictures from before, and this is the kind of color that I really like when he does. So this is what we're going to do today. I always just like to remind him before we do the color so that he has a good imagination of, you know, the direction that we're going in. And I highly recommend doing this if you want a similar color, to just make sure that you show as many photos as possible, because what you have in your mind might be different than what your stylist has in mind, and pictures are always like worth 1,000 words. They always just give such a clear idea compared to just, you know, trying to describe in words.
So this is the lightener. This is basically the bleach. We're gonna make the highlights with this color. Actually no color, but it has slight pigments. You can see that it's a little bit more a blue texture. They have these lighteners as well in white, but I needed more in blue because blue goes against the orange.
Yeah, which is really important for my hair, because otherwise it just goes super warm. Exactly. With any type of lightening product. And
you can see it's very important for me that it's not so liquidy, so I can really paint the highlights. And this is more a neutral brown color, like a little bit or close to Annie's color. I'm gonna put on first the dark on the roots, and then I'm gonna do the highlights. This is a drop of green, and I'm just putting a drop in so that we definitely don't get a red on the roots, because Annie doesn't like red.
So it's gonna make it more cool toned, yeah, more neutral. All right, I'm so excited for this. We made a little setup here, a little DIY setup in our kitchen. My hair is very dirty at the moment. He told me to leave it this way. I wanted to wash it, but actually when it comes to color, it's better to have a little bit more of like, not grease, but would you say it protects the scalp a little bit from the color? If I, for example, would need your roots to be very light, for example, like making highlights on the roots, then I would wash it, because then I don't need all that oil on your roots, because I need to be clean, and so I can make sure that it gets really light. And what he just put now on my skin, I believe that is a protector. Yeah. So that it doesn't dye my skin. And by the way, he's adding these darker bits so that I have a bit more contrast. As your hair got painted very long time ago, it's always happening after the color is washed out that your natural color gets lighter. So I'm now going and putting back your roots into one color and your lengths into one color, and have highlights in between, so that you have literally one color, and within that one color is going to be highlights. If you paint and over blonde like all your hair again and again, your hair gets always blonder and blonder and blonder, and at one point you're just having all your lengths very blonde. But you don't want that, you want to have highlights. Yeah, so it's making it look more natural. Yeah. Like I haven't highlighted my hair a bunch. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I love that you can do this for me at home. Very grateful for that.
this, like, this is like normally, that's not really like a paint, it's not really like highlights inside, it's just something in between, and I'm deciding to put this now, for example, the full one, dark.
This is like a darker toner, like the darker color, right?
Yeah, exactly. And by the way, for the roots I use something different than for the length, because on the roots I wanted, and it can be a little bit more ash, but on the blonde parts, which are already light, if I go and put something very ash on it, it's going to look very gray or dirty, and I don't want it to look dirty. So there you need to use something which looks a little bit more brown, warm, because the natural colors are always kind of a little bit more into the warm on any side.
This is the not so fun part. So this is now a gloss that he is applying, and he said that it also has some pigments in it, and it helps to make the hair shiny and soft. Hi guys, it is the next day. Mo actually finished my hair pretty late last night and it was already dark, so I thought I would wait till today to show you guys what my hair looks like now that it's nice and bright. I'll show you guys a clip from the back as well so you can see what that looks like. But I am very, very happy with how my hair looks. It looks so much more fresh now, and I love when my hair has a little bit more dimension and different tones. So I'm really, really happy with it, and I also like these face framing highlights here that he brought up a little bit higher, and I think that's always very complimentary. It just makes you look a little bit brighter and fresher around the face, so I really love those. Another thing I love about this kind of balayage, sun-kissed type of color is that it just grows out really nicely, so we don't actually put any highlights like very high up here except for these, so you don't actually have to touch it up very often, and I get away with doing my hair maybe 2 or 3 times per year, so it's very low maintenance. I've also been wanting to show you guys a few of the new things that I've recently gotten, and I thought I would include it in this video and make it like part hair, part haul. And I have worn these items quite a bit as well, so I can give you guys my review on them. The thing I'm most excited about is my new handbag. It is so cute. It is the Aria belt bag from Senreve. This is a belt bag, but I actually wear this a ton of different ways. It's very versatile. So how I have it right now as a shoulder bag, this is how I've been wearing it the most, and it's just very easy to sling across your shoulder. But I also love to wear this as a crossbody bag, and it's really comfortable like that as well. And you can make the strap a little bit shorter and you can wear it like a sling in front of your body. Plus you could even just take the strap off and wear it as a clutch. Plus then of course you can also wear it as a belt bag, which I also think is really, really cute. And I actually don't own a belt bag, which is the reason why I wanted to get this. And then I thought I could also style it in other ways, so I just love how versatile it is, and it's also just so cute. As with all Senreve bags, I feel like their designs are always very chic and minimal and very elegant, and the quality of these bags are always so beautiful as well. The leather is from Italy, and they're actually made in Tuscany, and you can just tell that the craftsmanship is really good. All of the stitching is impeccable, and it just feels really good as well. It's very sturdy, and it has this kind of grain texture, so this is actually scratch resistant, water resistant, and stain resistant as well, so they are very durable bags. You can also get this gold chain for the bag as well, and you can use this as an alternative strap. This makes it look more like an evening bag and just kind of elevates it a little bit. And I've actually been wearing this bag the last few weeks, but I've waited to show it to you guys because I wanted to wait for their Cyber Monday sale, which is now on. So if you guys like this bag and you want to get it as well, you will also get a free gold chain strap, which will come with the bag. Plus everything will also be tax and duty free, so you'll be saving a little bit there as well. Plus they're doing a few other gifts with purchase, and I will make sure to have all of the details for their sale below in the description box. So you actually open the bag like this, and you have a little strap here, and this is what the bag looks like from the inside. You can actually fit a lot of things in here for it being like a very small bag. I can even fit my vlogging camera in here, and of course also my wallet, my phone, And then I've got my house keys and car keys. And it does have a micro suede lining on the inside, so it just feels really luxurious and very high end, and the quality again is just so amazing. We obviously can't do too many things now during quarantine, but this bag has been my favorite for grocery shopping, or if we are just going out, even for little walks in the city. I think it is so beautiful, and again, you do have that hands-free option, so especially if I'm going to the grocery store, I feel like it's just very convenient, especially worn as a belt bag. But then I also love that it's just so stunning, and you can easily wear as a clutch for dinner. Yeah, just very pretty, and it's a bag that I would highly recommend. My next favorite thing I got is definitely this coat from Mango. This I have actually not worn yet, but I am so excited to start wearing it because it is now quite chilly here. It actually got kind of warm for a few weeks, but now the temperatures have dropped, so I can wear this now. This is from Mango, and it is a wool coat, and I love the classic shape of this coat. It is so stunning, very Max Mara, super chic, and I like that it's a little bit oversized as well, so it just looks really effortless, and again, just very chic. I also love the color of this, and I thought that these two would go really well together. Just really nice, like neutral fall kind of beigey brown tones. Another really beautiful item I got from Mango are these black pants. They're kind of like a palazzo pant, I think that's how you would say it. So they're very loose fitting, but they are like fitted at the waist. And let me tell you guys, these pants are so soft and comfy. They are literally like joggers, but nice, you know? So they look really elegant and chic. I think they, like, the visual effect of them are so stunning, but they are actually so comfortable. And I've been wearing these a ton. You can dress them up with some heels or some boots, and you can have it as a nice like evening look to go for dinner, or you can wear them during the day with a pair of sneakers. That's pretty much how I've been wearing them, and then I layer a long coat on top of it, and I think they are so stunning. The fabric is also really nice and soft, so it feels really good against your skin. Another thing I got from Mango, which I've pretty much been living in, is this two-piece set. So these are the bottoms, looks like that. Then I also got the matching sweater to go on top, which has this little zipper here at the front, like so. And they're in this really nice like oatmeal kind of beige color, and they are made of cotton, so they're very soft. And I love matching sets like this. I think that it just kind of elevates a basic look and just makes it look a little bit more put together. And when you're home all day, especially on the weekends, it's just nice to have like a cozy set to cuddle up in, just feel really comfy in. So I've been loving this and would also recommend this. And lastly, I got two sweaters from ANINE. They are both gray. This is the first one. Kind of has a bit of like a vintagey kind of feel to it. It again has this zipper here down the front, and this turns into a pretty nice like big collar, and the quality of the sweater is so nice. I feel like this is a piece that you can wear and wash like a bunch of times, and it's not going to lose its shape or color. You know, just a really great classic piece that I think I will keep for many years. And the fabric is also very soft, very cozy. Another sweater from ANINE, which I haven't worn yet, but it is this knitted gray sweater, and the fabric on this is super soft. It almost feels like cashmere, and again, just so nice for cozy days at home when you just want to feel like really warm and comfy. But of course, you can also wear this out. I actually love layering gold necklaces with tops like this. I love that kind of contrast of like thick chunky sweaters, especially in gray, with gold earrings, gold necklaces. I always think that looks really great. So I will make sure to have all of these items linked below for you guys in the description box. So those are a few of the new items that I've recently gotten. Not a ton of things, but just really good staples, good quality things that are very classic that I can wear in lots of different ways. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little haul and enjoyed seeing my hair transformation. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.